In this video, I am going to tell you how to access Swayam courses. Swayam is a program which is initiated by Government of India, where we can learn a few technical things, where the professors of IIT, IISc and top institutions, they are going to explain the technical aspects, and here also they have made a syllabus for regarding the subjects which we are going to learn in engineering. So here if you want to search any subject, I am showing you how to get into the Verilog subject available in Swayam. You just go over here and search Verilog in the search bar. So you will be getting two results, where first one is hardware modeling using Verilog and second one is system design through Verilog. So previously in the last year I gone through this course, that is hardware modeling using Verilog. This course is handled by IIT Kharagpur professor, that is Professor Indranil Sengupta. He is very good in his explanation. I have gone through this course in the uh, last year and I got very good knowledge about Verilog. So you can observe here this course is open for registration now. The starting date is 26 July 2021 and end date is 17 September 2021, and they are probably conducting exam date is scheduled on 26 September 2021. Okay, and enrollment is going to be end on 2nd August 2021, so that now you guys can register if you are interested. Okay, if you are a student, if you are a lecturer in institute, if you are interested in learning Verilog, this course is very good. This course is about 8 weeks. Okay, this come under elective, and computer science engineering and VLSI design are the category here. If you want to search through the category under computer science and VLSI design, you will find out this particular course. Okay, and if you look at the course layout, they have scheduled like this: week 1 to week 8 they are going to cover different topics, starting with the first week introduction to digital circuit design flow, and then in the second week they are going to explain Verilog variables, operators and language constructs, how to be used in 2 hours. And then week 3 you can see here modeling combinational circuits using Verilog, mux decoder, encoders, how to write the Verilog code, how to simulate that, how to design different kind of combinational circuits and all they are going to tell you. In week 4 sequential circuits will be covered, and week 5 Verilog test bench and design simulation, and week 6 behavioral versus structural design modeling they are going to tell, and week 7 is miscellaneous modeling issues such as pipelining, memory and all they are going to discuss, and week 8 processor design using Verilog. This is the complex design they are going to discuss at week 8. Okay, so you can take up this course weekly. They will be giving you assignments depending on the assignment score, and also at the end of the course they will be conducting exam. So you have to get minimum marks in the assignment also, and also minimum marks to get through in this course in exam also. So this course I recommend for you guys who are very interested to learn Verilog. It is very good, and you can see the instructor bio also. He is Indranil Sengupta. He's obtained BTech, MTech and PhD from these institutions, and all they have given the elaborated uh, information, and how actually the course certificate will be given. Exam will be on 26 September. Here you need to pay the fees of 1000 for the exam. Okay, and if you want to take the certification examination, then only you need to pay this 1000. Even if you take, if you are not willing to take up the exam, then you can take assignments freely. Okay, that is what Swayam is going to provide for the learners. Okay, here you can observe you will be eligible for certification only if the average score is greater than or equal to 10 of 25 and the exam score is greater than or equal to 30 of 75. Okay, if one of the two criteria is not met, you will be not getting any certificate. Okay, even if the score reaches 40 out of 100. So I recommend this course, and also I recommend you to take the exam. It will be very good for learning. Okay, anyhow, weekly we can spend 3 hours. They will upload the videos also. Even if you are not free when it is live, you can go through and look at the videos. Okay, assignments are really very good. It will be very helpful in learning things. Okay, I hope you guys make use of this opportunity. If you are a student, it will be very useful. Okay, thank you.